Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 8, Section 4, number 15, which reads, a granite block is in the shape of a right rectangular prism. So understand solving pieces as you go. What does it mean? Right means you've got all 90-degree angles. What is a rectangular prism? It's going to look something like this. I am no artist, admittedly, but that's my best shot at making it 3D. I'm going to make dotted lines. That's the back of it. Okay. So anyway, it has dimensions 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 50 centimeters. And this is going to be kind of random, but we'll make it 30 here, 40 here, 50 here. Now, we know just based on that what the volume's going to be. So I could pull up my calculator and we could do 30 times 40 times 50. Boom. So we know that the volume is 60,000. Now we read the next piece. The block has a density of 2.8 grams per cubic centimeter. So this is, what's your volume measured in? Well, we were given centimeters for all three measurements, so the centimeters are the same. When you multiply length times width times the height, we get centimeters cubed. And if the density is 2.8, what we got to do is multiply that volume by your 2.8. And you could already tell that the only one bigger than 60,000 is 168,000. But for good measure, we take our high-tech calculator here, we multiply it by 2.8. And we get exactly that, 168,000. What is the mass of the block in grams? And there you've got it. Notice what we did here. We did it in pieces as we went. If you read this whole thing, then it might be overwhelming. You might say, oh, I don't know exactly how to solve this. But if you do it one piece at a time as you go, then you've got it. Typically when they're giving you length, width, and height, I mean, they could be asking about surface area. That's a thought that crossed my mind. But usually they're asking about volume. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with geometry questions involving volume, density, what have you. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.